morning. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to my channel. That's so Chev. To all my OGs, how are you doing? How is your day? How is your week? How was your month? How is the month of May so far? Comment in the comment section down below and let me know how you guys are doing. So, quick update. This is not the vlog that I planned to post for you guys. Last week I had a very eventful week and I really wanted to share last week with you guys. Monday I went to go to the gym and I brought my camera with me. I opened my camera. When I opened it, it said I only had 4% battery. So I said, okay, babe, put it back in the car. He put it back in the car. When I got home, put it on charge. When it charged, I turned it on because I said I was gonna take off some clips. I had already started taking clips off of the camera from earlier that day. And when I opened the camera, it said I need to format the SD card. Like, format SD card. So I turned off the camera back again, hold down on the power button, try to, kind of make it restart or whatever the case is. Not necessarily reset, but yeah, maybe a reset. Turn it back on, said the same thing. I was like, what is going on? Put it in the computer, same issue. Format SD card. Now I start tripping because I'm like, I have so much content. If you guys haven't realized, I've been posting vlogs from April, right? And I had maybe about 3 more vlogs on there that I could have posted, and all of that is gone. I also intended to start a new TikTok page where I'm niching down, and on that page I'll be niching down to I was recording content for that page, and I wanted to keep recording content for that page until I had enough content to create the page, right? Because I can be very inconsistent. So I wanted to create a form of consistency. All of that content is gone. I ran through on TikTok to find out how I could recover. I found this girl, she told me how I could recover. I did recover them, but they don't play. So the files are corrupted. I'm going to show you guys. So the files are corrupted. It doesn't matter what I do. They aren't playing. This isn't playing. X off that. Click on this. We cannot open file. This may be because the file type is unsupported. So yeah, there's nothing I can do. I just have to start all over. I was very disappointed to the point that I wanted to cry. But as my cousin said, maybe I just never needed to show that content. And when I went on ChatGPT and was putting in everything, ChatGPT was just like, maybe that content wasn't meant to be seen. So even though that's a bot, but yeah, I'm a bit down about it, but I'm gonna make the best out of it. I'm still very iffy about the SD card right now, so I did format it. So after I saved all the stuff, I did format it, so that's why I'm using my camera now. And it's even a risk using my camera now. Outside, Dre! It's a risk using the SD card now because God forbid it actually does the same thing on me again. So now I have to be looking to buy a SD card where I wasn't planning to do. So yeah, so I'm a bit bummed. Very, 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 very sad about it. This made me feel so much more discouraged. Like I was already having like a hard time creating content because I'm just like, it's 2 years and I feel like I'm not growing and I feel like I'm not where I want to be with this whole YouTube thing. And then I'm learning about TikTok. You have to niche down, you have to be specific, you have to have a target audience and all of this stuff that, is very, very draining. So it's like this happening made me even more discouraged to create, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep working at it anyway. Every single time we come on here, we have some unboxing to do. And you think I shop a lot? I don't shop a lot, you know. I'm a moderate shopper, very moderate shopper. So these are from Shein. I think these are, so my cousins and I are having a picnic at the end of this month. So I think all of these are from Shein. So let's see what they are. Alright, so I bought this flat. Boy, this is big. It's a 41? Mighty God of Daniel. This is big. This is going to be massive. Guys, this is massive. This is one of the gifts for the girls. So that's one of the gifts. 2, 3. So this is 3 gifts. 1, 2, 3. 3 gifts. Okay, these are my bangles. They don't look yellow, they look green. They look very green. Okay, it kind of goes with my dress. This is my dress, so it's supposed to be like a butter yellow type of vibe. Hoping that the dress fits. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. That's the dress. There! Look what this. It look massive, though? Mm-hmm. It looks big. Leave them out, put them out. You hungry? You hungry? Not really? Wait, eat. You're bloated. Okay. Phone case to match. So I have 2 phones. I have an iPhone and I have a Samsung 24. So one for my iPhone and one for my Samsung. Jewelry. Oh, also, if my face looks orange or off, it's because I have on a mask on my face. The Banish mask, I have the Banish mask on my face. So these are also gifts as well. I'm so excited. I think the girls are gonna love my gifts. I think they are going to love it. And I put a lot of thought into my gifts. I put a lot of thought into them. So I really do hope they love it. So I have 1 more set of gifts to buy, but I'm back and forth with what. Shein, don't piss me off. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to do sip and paint. This is a medium. So what is a small? Let's look up on Amazon, see if Amazon have them. So we're supposed to be doing sip and paint as well. We're supposed to be painting as well. I bought the painting stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them come in here. I think it's more than 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5. So the brush and the paint. The only thing I didn't buy was the, what do you call the thing? The cover up, so that we don't mess up ourselves. And a cup, but I'm just gonna get like 1 regular plastic cup for water. So career day is coming up, and my oldest is going to be an architect. Future architect. Oh, gifts as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4 gifts. So as I said, I got 5 gifts already. 6 gifts. This is gift number 6. Love it! Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I can't show you guys because if I show you guys, they're gonna see this vlog before. Maybe not, because this vlog is probably going on. I don't know. Well, just in case we're gonna not put it out. So my future architect, I'm also I bought a vest, and then it comes with a hard hat, and then it comes with the truck, and it comes with the goggles, and it comes with all the information for architect, right? Yeah. Listen, career day is supposed to be a fun day. It's supposed to be a day where everyone is thinking outside of the box. We shouldn't be thinking doctors, and there's so many careers out there that makes money. Like, think out of the box. Come on, guys. Career day is supposed to be fun. Oh gosh, this I'm kind of nervous about. This is from Bruno Mark on Amazon, and these are my sons. This is my oldest son, Jamil's graduation shoes. Now, usually he wears a size. Right now he's in a size 3. This is what the shoes look like. I bought this in a size 5 because he also has wide feet. So I'm seeing how this would work. Jam Jam? Jam Jam? I'm hoping they fits. I am praying that they fits. Come here. Come put this on for me. Hey, this is what I want you to do. Put on that for me. Okay. Put it on the ground. Daddy's probably gonna have to help you. Look,
wow! That's so beautiful!
I never seen a bra.
A square mo.
Never seen a square mo.
This hurts?
Yeah.
That's a size.
That hurt the.
That's a size 5.
This hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah, for the fight to get it in there.
What are these?
And for brother than that? Right, to go that Daniel. Okay. So you probably have to go carry him guys somewhere out here for buy the shoes then.
What's your info?
Cause if I buy it from Amazon, I probably waste my waste.
That's the new zipper shoes. Yeah.
Also, Ashani is going to be my little scientist. I've been using towel on my face for the past couple weeks. So I bought these. I'm mad because I need something. I need to buy more packs. 2 packs, not good. Because I wash my face twice a day. But not good.
Yes, mommy. What is it?
Acrylic markers. This is, for my coloring. Alright, now this is for Jamil's graduations. This is suit. This is the color that I'm going with for him. I'm so excited for graduation. I just bought Daddy and AJ's suits, and I'm gonna go ahead and buy my stuff because everybody's gonna be wearing a similar color to this. But this is more darker than I thought it was going to be. So, yeah.
Mommy, you don't want to buy this.
Yeah, push it down. Alright, come here. Guys, I have some stuff on the counter on the bed, so if my space is a mess, forgive me.
Mommy,
Come. Put in your hand, Jamil. No, next time. This time. This is supposed to be a size 7, and he is 6 years old. So,
that's my.
why am I feel like this could have been bigger? Or are you just hot? Oh my gosh, this could have been bigger. No, I think it's fine. Woo. Oh, Papa, this looks like this could have been bigger. See, guys? Jamie. No, hold on yourself like that, baby. Come here. Oh my gosh, I could have taken an ace. Lift up your hands. Lift up your hands.
6 years old.
Yeah, you're 6 years old.
Jamie, your birthday?
No, for graduation.
Graduation.
So then it has the vest. And then it has the pants. Which I feel like the pants is gonna fit perfectly. Come, Jamie.
Okay, mommy.
Alright, see? Pants fit perfect. Perfect for the pants. Pants at perfection.
Let me see.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. So, come here, Jamia. Come here.
Okay, mommy.
I wish your daddy was in here now to see you. Back up a little bit. Come here. Stand up right here. Alright.
Mama, take a picture of the deer.
So they also sent 2 ties. So we can either go with the black one or we can go with the burgundy one. It's gonna be the black for sure.
Yay!
I think the vest, the jacket is okay. He's not gonna wear it for long. He's gonna wear it to walk in. And then AJ, do not open anything. It's not a toy, not right now. It's not a toy right now.
Supposed to be laying down? Wow.
Come here, AJ. My sister. No, that's something my sister's coat here I go fit in.
Huh?
The coat.
Oh, science coat.
Yeah.
What's this, mommy?
It's called the science coat.
Whoa, got you.
No, you're welcome, baby. Oh no. You're the thunder guys?
Whoa.
So in there he gets a little photo and a laboratory thing.
Mommy?
It comes with a whole kit. Comes with a whole science kit.
What was this?
It's your course.
Oh, okay.
No, these are not for now, okay? They're not for now. They're for career day. Yeah, career day. So this is his coat. I want to see if it fits him or if it's gonna be too long.
What
So it
this?
says science.
You can cover this?
Put your hand in there. The rain is going to fall. Come on, Shani. Put it in your hand.
Suck it?
Oh, it fits. It's fine.
I can't get that.
It's massive, but it's fine. I'll just have to fix it up.
I'm a jacket. Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Turn around for daddy.
Wow.
AJ, the scientist. He said thank you already. Alright, come, Mr. Scientist. Alright, so this is what you're gonna wear on career day, okay? Not now. Alright, go take your cars, go around your room. No! Guys, oh my gosh.
Oh, it's funny over there.
It's fine, baby. Guys, my picture fell from up there, so dropped onto my camera and my camera fell on the ground. Oh my gosh, I almost... Guys, you remember how I was saying that this was big? This is a size 41. It's a good thing I followed my mind and bought the 41. This is exact. This is look, barely any toe space. You see that? Listen, this is perfect. morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to another day in the vloggy vlog. What's up? How are you guys doing today? I literally have nothing going on at the current moment. That's why I have not been vlogging. So if you guys realize, Chef, what's going on? I got nothing going on. Nothing at all. I've been in the house, and nothing's wrong with being in the house, but I have nothing to talk about. I have nothing to do, nothing at all. And I've just been just trying to rest mentally, because as we all know, everybody in the world right now is going through something. Everybody's experiencing something. Everybody is experiencing some form of something, right? And I've been feeling it as well. So I just kind of just been stepping back a little bit and taking care of my mental. While I love creating and while I always want to create, I want to make sure that my mental is taken care of. Yeah. So this morning I was surprised by my husband with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bouquet of flowers. He brought them in last night when he came in from work and he hid them. But yeah, I've been feeling in the funk too as well. So what I've been doing for the past couple of days is I go ahead, do my skincare, because I've been slacking on that as well. I haven't been doing much skincare. So I went ahead, did my skincare, went in my barrel, take out one of my wigs, put it on, take a shower, spray up myself, put on my deodorant, and try my best to look good, because when you look good, most times you feel good. So at the current moment, I don't care what nobody says, I look good. I look really, really good. Yesterday, my husband was like, "What is that on your head?" You look like one mop. And I was like, okay, I love it. That's all that matters. And I really do love it. I love it. I'm a big hair girl. I love big hair. Like, I don't even care sometimes if the curls are defined. I don't. I just love big hair. Today I'm gonna go get my nails done. So hopefully I can carry you guys along for that. So this is the fit for the day. I don't know what I'm going to put on my feet, but I know I just have to wear some slippers because I'm getting my nails done. Yeah, I don't know what I want to do to my nails as yet. I just know that I need like some form of yellow, some form of pastel yellow. That's what I'm going for, either yellow and white polka dots or yellow and brown polka dots. That's what I'm thinking about. One thing for sure and two things for certain, I go forget for do what I'm supposed to do. I forget for charge my camera, so I'm not gonna have enough footage for sure. No, me getting my nails done, and I didn't carry my extra battery pack. Did I do everything else but what I need for that? Oh god, I'm tired. I'm so tired. And I'm hungry. Good afternoon, good afternoon. morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Friday. Boys are on holiday from school for, what is it, Labor Day? Yeah, for Labor Day. So as you guys know, I got my nails done last night. The boys have not seen my nails yet. So I'm going to go ahead and show them now, and I'm going to get their reaction for you guys. Every time I get my nails done or my lashes done or my hair done, my kids, they do compliment me. They do cheer me on. Wow. I'm going to let you guys hear it. So give me a minute. All right, boys, come here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Good now.
Ah, so beautiful. So shiny.
What color is that?
Lala.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Ah, yellow and brown.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
You like my nails?
Yeah. Wow, what picture? Wow.
And I look at my toes. They're just yellow.
Wow, that's a new nail tool.
You like my nails?
Yeah, wow, it's a bit.
No, I didn't do my eyes. I didn't do anything to my eyes, okay? Yeah. But look, they are beautiful. Mommy got beautiful eyes.
Wow, so beautiful eyes, so beautiful mommy.
Beautiful mommy.
Yeah. Ah,
I didn't. Hi, Daddy's on the phone. Come. Mommy didn't do her lashes. Okay? You guys want some tea?
No.
No lollipop. It's morning. It's early morning. No lollipop. You don't even. Boy, leave me alone. Yes, sir. Dear. Hungry? Want food?
No.
What do you want? You want sausage? Tell Daddy. Tell Daddy what you want.
Daddy. Okay.
Guys, I am not feeling so great. Not feeling good at all. I feel lightheaded. I feel dizzy. I feel like I'm literally on the verge of passing out. So I just came to lay down real quick. And of course, these words are not. AJ, move your big head now, AJ.
Okay.
Of course, these kids aren't going to let me do that. My head's hurting me. Hi, excuse.
Okay, mommy, am I?
No, mommy's not okay.
Okay, I got to get one.
Jamil?
Yeah.
Jamil?
Yes, mommy.
Mommy's head hurts.
Okay. Mommy, head hurts.
We pray.
Okay, let's pray. The thing happened. Our Father, I thank you in my life. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Good night, guys. Good night. As you can see, I didn't get to go anywhere today because 1, couldn't get a drive. 2, I don't feel so great. I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. So right now, I'm going to go take. It's quite hot in Jamaica, but I still feel like we need like a warm bath. So I'm going to go take a nice warm bubble bath. Okay. Now, if you're new to my channel, I got this bath off of Amazon. It is in my storefront. I don't know if it's sold out or not, but yeah. So I'm gonna let this pull up, and then I'm gonna put in some hot water. Guys, hey, thank you so much for tuning into today's vlog. Last night I really did have a relaxing bath. It really was relaxing. Like, the water could have been a little bit hotter because I like hot water, but it was really good. It was a really good temperature, enough for me. Waited for my husband a little bit, went straight to bed. I woke up this morning, still have like a migraine on this side, but otherwise I'm okay. Yeah, so today I have on enzyme mask. I have on the enzyme mask that I had on at the beginning of this vlog. Yeah, I have it on today. So it helps to treat my dark spots a little bit faster. It helps to fade the dark spots. So I try to do this twice a week, and this is also from Banish. Other than that, we're closing out the vlog today. I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for just being here.